Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to learn about exterior angles of a triangle. And I know I put angle singular, but guess what? That's just the way the world works sometimes. You don't get to pick your battles, you get to pick your wars. What? Okay, so essentially what that means, to break it down, exterior means on the outside, so therefore this is the angle we're talking about because it's the only angle that's outside of the triangle. The other three are inside. Angle means it's the angle, means it's this like right here, and then it's in a triangle. Okay, so it's the exterior angle attached to a triangle. That would be that angle right there. Okay? Well, actually, it's better if you say this side. I don't want y'all to get confused. Okay? So, how you solve these equations. What do you know the inside angles of a triangle all add up to equal? 180 degrees. Always and forever. What do you know the two angles that make a line when they're combined add up to equal? 180 degrees. Forever and always. Okay? So, if you're going to solve this equation, like say this angle right in here. This angle right here is, I don't know, 50. Okay? That means that you would subtract 50 from 180 and you'd get 130. And that means this angle would have to be 130. Now, if you still know this is 50, what do you know this angle and this angle are going to have to add up to equal? 130. Because if all those are 180 degrees and you subtract that amount right there, you're still going to have to subtract it from 180. Okay? So essentially what's happening is this angle that connects, that's like attached to the exterior angle, is essentially the common denominator between this exterior angle and then these two angles right here. So that means that if this is all in the same picture, these two have to add up to equal this one. That's the summary of it. If you forget everything else I said, note that the two interior angles that are not attached to it are equal to this one. So it'd be 25 plus x plus 15 equals our 3x minus 10. So the shortened summary of it is the exterior angle equals the two other angles added together. Okay? And I think they're called remote interior angles. I don't know, it's been a while since I taught geometry, but that's what's up. Okay, so then we just solve it like a regular equation. Combine your like terms. So that'd be 40 plus x equals 3x minus 10. Then we shrink this because it was getting too big. Alright, now in this equation, we got to get our x's to the same side. I always say get the smaller x away, so we'll subtract x from both sides. So that'd be 40 equals 2x, because 3x minus an x would be 2x, minus 10. Then we get the 10 to the other side. Add 10. That goes away. Bye-bye. 50 equals 2x. And then divide by 2. 25 equals x. Now, if the equation wants x, you're done. But if the equation wants each angle's measure or one of the angles measures, don't quit. That's where standardized tests will get you every time. Because you know what? If they're asking for this angle or this angle or this angle or this angle, well then they're always going to have whatever x equals as one of the answers. Because a lot of people, they work through this whole equation and they're like, okay, I've got the answer. Is it on there? Oh, cool, it's an answer. I'm done. I got it right. Well, you got to reread the question that it asks. Okay, we didn't have a question here because I was just showing you how to do it. But if it does, you just plug it in right there. So it'll be 25 plus 15, so that angle is 40. All right, and then you'd plug the 25 in there, so it'll be 75 minus 10, so that's 65. And then you could always find this by subtracting 65 from 180, or you could add those two up and subtract it from 180. And you got your answer, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye!
Hey, Tyler here. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out tarveracademy.com.
Like the guy said, check out the Facebook page. Tweet me if you got any questions. The website has more organized on the videos for all the lessons for geometry. And then Algebra and Algebra 2 will be happening soon. If they haven't already happened, if this is the future. Alright, check out my other YouTube channel if you want. And also subscribe to this one. Tell your friends. Bye-bye. Again, I already said bye-bye like that. Bye-bye.